In this video, I'll be showing you how to trade pre-market on Robinhood. Pre-market trading lets you react to news, earnings, and market updates before the regular market opens. Just keep in mind that pre-market hours usually have lower liquidity and wider spreads, so prices can move more aggressively. Always trade with caution. First, open the Robinhood app, log into your account, and make sure your app is updated and your account is fully verified. To trade during pre-market hours, you need to enable extended hours trading. Go to the Account tab, tap Menu, then go to Settings. Select Trading, then Trading Settings, and turn on Extended Hours Trading. Once that's enabled, search for a stock that supports pre-market trading. On the stock's detail page, you may notice price movement before the market opens. These moves can be sharper because there's less trading volume. Now tap Trade, choose Buy or Sell, and select your order type. For pre-market trading, limit orders are strongly recommended since they give you better control over the price you're willing to accept. Enter the number of shares or the dollar amount, review all the details carefully, and then submit your order. If your order doesn't fill right away, it may stay pending until a matching price becomes available or until regular market hours begin. Make sure to monitor your order status. And that's it. That's how you trade pre-market on Robinhood. If this helped you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.